Fuck. Okay, can I restart you, please? Okay, Unreal Engine crashed. I'm currently updating my driver so that it all works. And we are now on the studio driver, and we can easily switch to the other one as well. So, now we're on that. Now I just have to get it reopened, which shouldn't take long, I'm hoping. Launch. Pop that down. Okay. Actually, I don't need to see that much right now. I can pop those down. I apologize for having to restart. We have to wait for Unreal Engine to open now, which I can only check visually if I open the task manager and tell it to pop up on the screen. Okay, in that task, and this one. Okay, it's 45% initialized now. I apologize for all these issues. It normally happens sometimes. So now we just have to wait for it to finish loading, which is fine, I guess. It's 75%. Sometimes we have these issues. It's not easy to stream some of these at times. Hey, if anyone's watching, welcome. I apologize for the wait. We're at 86% loaded now. 90%. Ready. Well, could I start a new one then, Epic, instead of making me have to restart a new one? Yeah, there you go. Oh, hey, Super. Apologies for it's taking so long. I'm trying to get in as fast as possible to get to the actual Greyboxing, but I can't yet. I'm having Epic is causing some problems. I'm on studio mode, so it just takes a minute. I'll show you. It's basically just using terrain to see what stuff you want to put in. So, like a box for a turret, stuff like that. I'll show you once it's actually open. Once Epic is done with its shit. Yeah, it's currently initializing. I've just had a bunch of issues. It was working before I started the stream. Like OBS was picking up Unreal. That failed as soon as I started, and now I have to fix everything else. Okay, 75%. It's not going to take too long. It's finally started behaving. I'll just have to check up on it once it's done loading. We're at 90% loaded now. 93, 95. But to make me out as a liar. Unreal. Okay, that's all working. I just have to drag the screen to the right. There we go. Okay. I'm just going to check that my mouse shows up. Yep. Okay. Eventually I'll have like everything on that screen and then chat will be on the right. But right now chat has to be there so that I can use the keyboard. Okay. Why did YouTube just open without why would I want to open up my own stream? Oh, I must have accidentally clicked on my username thing. I'm just gonna leave those there for now. Okay. Geometry. We do. Right. I've got this template here just so that I can have the first person. The rest isn't really that important right now. But I'd like to keep some of these boxes here. For now. I'll keep like one of them. Right. Let's just resize to a nice bit. Bring it down a little bit too. That's a bit too thin for terrain. There. Bit too high. Okay, let's put this down a bit. I'm okay with falling a little bit. Right, we'll start with that much room for now. Right, let's go for another bit of terrain there. As I have stated, I'm not making this for a reason. I am making it to practice, so, you know, like, we've got a technical character right now, for now. He's the best we got. Right, let's go for this. Greyboxing is just basically this. Right, that should be good. Okay. Right, we'll start off with a nice big room. For now. Just tell me if there's any issues, especially with my microphone, because I'm using my other headset, because my normal earplugs have started having issues on the mic, like, on the mic earplug. Right, that should be a good enough zone for now. Where's... No. Unlit. Show the grid as well. Okay, that's good. Then just try and work this in. So I think I'll go for like a bit of damage, I guess. Let's see, how does that look? Yes, this is a sphere, apparently. In terrain. Okay, I think I'll make it into damage on this wall. Now that won't work. Let's try a spiral stairs. No, too big. Let's try a cone. And then rotate it by 90 degrees. Too far. Okay, let's try making it a little bit less stubby. So let's pull it back, change it to additive for a second. Too small. Yeah, because I like a certain type of music, and a lot of it has copyright. I kind of turned it off. But it also lets people have their own music, so it kind of allows more control. So, ooh, that's good. Let's see how that looks in subtractive. Really? Oh god. Oh god. Luckily it came out on the other side. Yeah, I listened to a playlist that was non-copyright a long while back, and I got copyrighted for every single song in the playlist. And some of them from the wrong company. It was like, no copyright. Ooh, that would be nice to put on my stream. Every single song, entire stream, completely audioless, including the areas without music in it. Luckily, it didn't strike me, but that's still kind of annoying. I don't really like that. That doesn't look too good. Let's try the sphere again. Let's try. It wasn't even a it wasn't even the company's fault. I know that they do use bots a lot. It doesn't look that good to that. But yeah, a lot of music companies just pick up a few notes and the bot auto reports, so it's fully understandable. And I'm not making any money from these streams right now. That's why I started working on YouTube as well. The reason why I'm a little bit more relaxed now in comparison to my previous streams is because I've read the community guidelines. If I get told off for anything that I haven't seen in the community guidelines, I've set it to be requiring. Well, I've set it to be not for kids. So if I get told off for a kid watching it, it's the parents' fault. I'm not controlling who's watching my videos. The fact that I'm held responsible if a kid watches my streams or anything, it's not really my fault, is it? I'm set on like not made for kids mode. If I get told off for a kid watching it, it's not my fault. So if I get told off for making NSFW jokes, yeah, hell, there's a reason why there's that whole YouTube Kids setup. It's so that kids can watch stuff recommended for kids. And even then, the parents still have to watch here and there to make sure. So, if I do that and then I copy it and then I rotate it a little bit, like a 30, 50. Ooh, that looks a little bit more gnarly, doesn't it? Maybe one more. 60, 70. Ooh, 60 was good. That looks good. Now, if I move it, like just a... Ooh, that's a raggedy. That's a really raggedy one. Okay. I might as well see if I can like make it look even more gnarly by like pulling it down. Pull it down a bit. That looks good. Now let's just resize it to just a little bit more. So like let's pull it out. Just, no, that's in. That's in once more. There we go. Just there. There looks good. Change it to subtractive. Then push it in. Let's see what that looks like together. Okay, I'm gonna pull all of that up here for now. So that's what we've got in here, I believe. Maybe. I'm not sure. It looks a little weird, but you know. So that's what we've got right now. that's the kind of boulder that we've got, so that's good. Let's see what it looks like when actually in play mode, because this is where you get to see stuff. I wonder. Come on, come on. You know what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to get it in. Okay, I just put it into the corner. Obviously, I've got it in unlit mode. I can do quite a few things, like I can show like player collision, I can show view modes, level of detail, buffer, stuff like that. Lit mode is what you'd normally see in game, but I'm not using it right now. But I use unlit just so that everything's uniformly lit, so that I can see. There's the sun. I believe there is actually like some stuff here and there. One sec, I've got a whole bunch of notifications on my phone. There we go. Let's see. Right, let's actually start doing some stuff. Okay, anyways, I'll live with that for now. Okay, so let's start with trying to make a nice doorway. Okay, so that should be about the height of the player for now. Right, a tiny bit higher. Okay, I think that's the closest I can get it. Although it is very, very, very slightly. It's such a minor millimeter of. Right, I'm gonna drop my mouse down to like 1800. This is the lowest my mouse's sensitivity can go. No, I need you to move. I think this is the closest that I can get to it. I can, but like that takes even longer. Right, let's see how it actually looks in like play mode. It's perfect, I guess. I think that I was between game pixels there anyway, so it was probably. Just take the box outside. Okay, that looks perfect, but what I want to do now is I want to click away. Place the cylinder like so. Resized a bit. It's a bit too big for me. That's the wrong way. That's looking vaguely correct, I guess. Okay. That looks okay, I guess. But what I want to do now is I want to Control C, Control V, then rotate it like 90. Okay, I'm gonna try this again, but I'm gonna resize it a bit. Resize it a bit better. I think there's good. It's not perfectly on just yet. I need to just pull it down a little bit more. There. Perfect. Now, let's... Okay, just a little bit longer, I guess. Okay. '90's too big. I can't get exactly on 45. Let's try 40, perhaps. Wait, what? Oh, right, yeah. Can't be 45. 45 divided by 2. Can I bring it down any further? No. Let's try a 25. That looks good. That looks like what I need. If only I could see it like live, because that would make this a lot easier. Okay, you're not on snap mode, so you should not be. I can't change its size anymore. I don't know what I'm changing here. Thank you. I'm guessing it's for some reason it had selected the external area and was doing it itself. Let's push that in there, move it, resize it vertically. I can't resize. Oh, right, yeah. I'll just do it live. Can we? Okay, let's see. Let's try bring it up. No, too far. Still too far. Too little. Too far. Too. Can I resize it by anything less? I'm not going to do 5. Let's try that. No, that once again that is way too big. Okay, that looks a bit better now. Right, let's see. I can't use my mouse. There we go. Okay. Push this in to the wall, like so, until it's out to the other side as well. Then switch it to subtractive and see what it looks like. It's actually getting very close now. I just need to bring it up by a tiny bit and then remove that tiny bit. And then a bit further. A bit too far. A bit too little. A bit too far. That's probably the closest I can get, isn't it? So now let's just... I copied it and just placed another. I can't be bothered anymore, and apparently my music stopped because of YouTube. Yes, I'm still watching, technically. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, so that looks good. I'm using this box because of its size, because it's big. It's basically as tall as the character is. A little bit taller, maybe. It gives me this really nice little planning zone. Okay, so that's basically as close as I can get because of the mid-pixel range there. Okay, I need to set that back to its original stuff. Is there any ways to make stuff use up a little bit less so? That can go down a little bit. What the hell is this song? This isn't my style. What kind of songs are you putting me on YouTube? These are not what my recommended were, like, literally an hour ago. Stop. Well, maybe a bit over an hour ago, but come on. Still annoying. Stop playing stuff that's not my style. See if we can find an actual playlist that I'd actually enjoy right now. Don't know what just went on. It it's my recommended playlist. It doesn't have an end. There we go. I'm checking what's in there, and it doesn't have songs about Fortnite and Minecraft in it. Yeah, it's normally pretty good with me nowadays. It's taken me around a year to get it to play the right kind of music for me. You know, my style, but still better. Yeah, normally it's pretty good, but I guess that I went deep enough. Like, sometimes it recommends really good songs for me. Like, a few of them were based on Has Been Hotel and Hell of a Boss, which both of those shows have easily taken my favourites. But, like, that's because it's really good quality. But, like, you know. It's also throwing in Hellraiser and a bit of EDM music, which is okay for me now. I'd never actually listened to EDM beforehand, but it's actually really good. So it just threw K-pop in, and that's the only music that I don't really like. Right, let's think. So we'll put that as like a spawn area for now, for me to practice that area, and then I'll build terrain to build an actual building over here. Right, let's start with... Hmm. Right, let's start with another box. Let's bring it down by a tiny bit. Right, we'll put that in subtractive mode as well. Is that really what I got? Right, okay, a bit smaller, that's bigger. That looks good. Good enough anyway. I can move this up a little bit to align. Nice. Now, The entire staircase needs to go into... Right, I need to check it. So, step length, yeah. Number of steps. Let's go for like 20. 30. Oh god, that's height. Right, let's take 4 away. So 26. Right, select the entire staircase. Wait, what? Oh, Jesus. Right, place down another linear stair. Change it to... Hmm. So we now have access to both sides of the sphere, or of the cube. Let's go with a box, resize to like a bit too far. Okay, turn that off. Okay, it needs to go a little bit lower. Like there, perhaps? I have like 6 versions of your mix on my end. That's what I've got. Like, my your mix is so unsure, but it has to have 6. So, like, right now, my current playlist is playing Diggy Diggy Hole, because it's the first thing it could think of. And it hasn't finished playing for quite a while now. I think I'll skip it to a different song. We'll meet again. Perfect. Um, I do have my own one that I set up, but I like to be able to be surprised by the playlist. You know, if I don't know what's going to play, it kind of gives me a bunch more things to expect. Like, I can choose the music because I skipped a bunch of songs there. Like, I have a favorite music's playlist, but, like, you know, I like to be surprised. Most of the time, I'm pleasantly surprised. No, 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 no! I tried. And the square's just high enough. I wanted to get it to the other side. Let's try again, shall we? Let's see how far we can make it. Like, we made it to the door last time, so get to the door, please. Okay, flick it to the right a little bit to the left, please. Okay, thank God that didn't actually do anything. I'm gonna need to push it just a little bit. Come on, just use the gun. I'll make it. I'm gonna do this physically. I'm not going to cheat or anything, I'm going to just push it in. Okay, push it like that, perhaps. We're almost there. Shit. Forgot about the house step. No. I don't think I could have avoided that because this is kind of at a angle anyway. Yeah, I can't do anything with that. Okay. Let's not mess about with that anymore and actually start working on this. So we got this window, it's just big enough, I guess. Let's just grab a basic empty character. It actually gives me an idea. I'm not using that though. Like I can add in lights and stuff, but right now that's not really gonna work much for me. Geometry, volumes, lockout. Okay, anyways, let's see. So that is basically player height right now. If I click play, I can stand by the window and see it out, right? Okay, that should work out pretty well. I'm just going to try moving it a little bit closer. That looks a little better. Okay, so these are some pretty thick walls though. But at the same time, a thick wall is great. Okay, I'm just gonna pause my music for a minute and I'm gonna be right back. Just go for a quick toilet break and to go grab some water. So I will be right back. Okay, just gotta get myself set down and I'll get straight to it. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, so the fact that this is just one, technically just one model, but I can't move any of it easily. I have to click here, here, here. Headsets ran out of battery, of course. 1 second, guys. There we go. Ow. There we go. Okay, so headset's plugged in. Definitely need to get something all that together. Ah, no. I'll just leave it for now. You know, technically I can just delete that. Okay, let's see if this will work. It looks a little better and gives me a little bit more room. So, we're starting off down here because it'll be the best way to check. So, can't get underneath. That's fine. That's expected. I was actually hoping that it was a little bit too small. I can't resize it in both directions, by the way. Well, just like resize one side anyway. Let's try back this far. Yep. Let's see, can I get... Perfect. Okay, so that looks... Do we have a triangle by any chance? I just reloaded lighting. So, inside of a house it should be pitch black. Yes. In fact, did I know that that's a 2D image? It's great. Hmm. Let's right. So I just have to work out why it's not letting me test it. Okay, that's actually really good. And have a nice night, Super. Okay, so Right, I need to make it hollow. Thought I just said it. Oh, what? You should be hollow now, shouldn't you? Let's try 0.2. So, the whole thickness is right. It's just that it's... Okay, let's just move the entire box out here for a second. Move inside of it. See just how thick it is. Well, it is actually like really thin. So, I should be able to see inside of it if I put it into here, right? No. It seems to create a new wall in the perspective. Um, Maybe if I change this to 4. Of course, right now my left foot is going numb. Right now, all I want to do is just check up on my friends and stuff. Oh God, no! Stop it! I just pushed a little bit further. Same on that side. Perfect. Ah, God, no! if there's anyone watching that's not just lurking, please do chat on both YouTube and Twitch. Obviously, things are I can't really see too much on what's going on, but I do have a feeling like I'm being watched right now by the fact that, well, mainly by the fact that you guys are actually, like, being picked up. If there's anybody watching, do chat, unless you're just liking, which then that makes sense. I was going onto my YouTube. I just want to watch it. I just want to keep an eye on it personally as well. No, I'm not. I'm not playing a game. One sec. YouTube's putting it as the wrong thing on me. It's Unreal Engine, not Unreal the game. Sorry about this, guys. Just give me a minute to get this correct. Ah, fuck. Current bitrate is low. And the current viewer response I can tell, but that's fine. One sec. Okay, I don't know why YouTube says that it's wrong, but if anybody's watching, please do comment and tell me. I'm always willing to listen and learn how to get stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to it in a second. I just need to continue my music. There we go, and you should stop my music again, isn't it? Yep, advertisement. Oh, perfect. It's French. Ugh, still to another song. Okay, hopefully everything's up to date now with what I'm doing. Right, let's see how it looks in play mode now. Right, we need to build. It should be dark, not bright. Okay, build our levels, see if it'll fix it. Okay, so it gets dark there, but on this side it's... Oh, there we go. There's my darkness. Darkness. Right, put you in omelette mode again. So we've got a light on here running. So let's add a component of, let's try skeletal mesh. No, that doesn't do much. Add a component. So if I put that in there, I don't think it needs to be in that. Ooh. Okay, it can only be at 100. Let's see how that looks. I think I need to change the camera. So, okay, that's great. It's really good. I think I'll move the light though. Right, click on me again. Move the light to, let's put it just a little bit more behind us, I guess. It would have to be like behind the camera, but not like actually behind it. Well, not behind the gun, preferably. If I put it at the end of the gun, hmm, let's see that. It's slightly offset, so it's... Ooh, I like that. Let's see it without that. Okay, now to work out the fog. Right. Let's see how it looks now. Nothing. Let's try doubling it. Alright, let's just wait for the lighting to update. Let's try double the distance scale. No. 0.5 perhaps. Oh, it looks a bit closer. Okay, that looks good. Let's see how that actually looks. Because then it creates this insane darkness that looks even better. Right, it's currently loading up the lighting. And then once that's ready, let's see how it looks. Like out here, you've got a little bit of light because I've got no roof up there, so the light's there. There's this dark spot from that, and then we go in here. Okay, that works pretty well for it. Okay. What I want to do now is, once I can find it, is there anyone of interest online? No. Oh, of course. You know, I'll work with it. It's because of the multi-screen setup, I think. So if it opens on my left screen, it should work properly? Question mark. But it doesn't open on the left screen. It opens on right. Eh. Okay, I'm just gonna make an asset quick. Let's smooth and smooth again. Resize the entire item. Let's go with something like that. So let's move that a bit further up. This just makes it easier. Right, where does it need to start from? If I go with that, then I'll be able to see it. Okay, I think I need to delete that one, and that one, and that one. I'm just doing something quick, invisible to stream. Looking good. Are you serious? What the hell's going on with this rotate tool? It's like this entire model's just kind of fucked up. Can I reset it by any chance or something? Because this is going to be really annoying to get this perfect. Of course, you didn't even do the thing I wanted you to do. There's no way that I'm going to work with this. I can't work with it being somehow rotated. This is not how it was built. Oh my god, I can't fucking work with that. What the hell's gone on with the rotation? How is this entire model that off? It's still off. It's still fucking off. And how is that? So, is there another piece? No. It's just chosen that this is it. How is that anywhere near to what I want you to do? I guess I'll have to combine them. Right, select the entire model. Now I need to mirror it. The whole what? First of all, yes, I am still listening to the music. Yes, YouTube. Fuck's sake, just... I can't freaking do anything with this if it's going to be fucking floating. I can't... Can I kind of not get this weird fucking thing? I need my headset to stop clicking and separating on my fucking ear. I need to concentrate for more than 12 milliseconds. Stupid headset. Why are you off? Sorry, I'm getting stressed out by this damn headset. Why did Visual Studio's code appear on screen? Sorry, I'm getting stressed out by my headset. There we go. Now it's actually staying on my fucking head. Now to actually try and work out why I can't... Okay, now it's working. How can I work with this if my selection panel literally says I'm apparently that way, but it's straight up. It was built straight up. Okay, maybe I should start again. all over again with no fucking noise. Sorry, I'm getting stressed because I just want to make a good model right now. And it's clear that apparently I'm not allowed to make a nice model that allows me to flip it vertically. Okay, 16 polygons. Grab a cube. Oh, fuck sake! Are you serious? It's already fucked up. It's already fucked up. It has already. Ah! Why? Why is that your angle? I'm on a flat fucking pane, and you're going for diagonals? Oh my god. Okay, new scene. Maybe that. No, don't save. Because it's clear that it's. Maybe it'll work now? Let's see. Oh, hell, thank you. For fuck's sake. Right, let's just. Okay, so. There we go. Press F, grab the entire model, go into this mode, grab this, grab all of that. I can keep it there. Let's just make it. Just move downwards until it's aligned. Thank you. There we go. Okay. Excuse me. When I click that, I want to do that, and then I want to. Oh. Mirror. Mirror again. And then I need to go into this bit, and I need to hold J and rotate it like that. Thank you. Okay, it's working. It's working now. There we go. That's what I wanted. This whole freaking time. That's what I wanted to make. Right, now I can kind of go into this mode, do this, and then go with this bit. It's working now. Thank God. Doesn't help that my music's slowly rising in volume. I've got another advertisement, haven't I? Thanks, YouTube. And now I'm going to get another advertisement, I guess I'm going to skip. And here comes the next advertisement. It's like, thank you. How's that look if I smooth it? I guess I like that. Export to my to my where's my D storage? Okay, go to my storage. Yes. Right, so I have it installed, like plugged in even. Yes. The new folder. File name. It will be called okay. Import from the backup plus excuse me, Maya. I don't know if you picked up on this, but I just told you to export into the file. Yeah, it exists in there. Okay. I exported it wrong, didn't I? So, file. Right, file. Wait, can I put it in? Do it now. So I want to import backup plus models. No. So perhaps I need to add new. It's not what I need to want to add new. That's a folder. Using as an AI, that's a blendable. Import into level. Backup plus models. No. File. Add new effects. Materials. Use camera, composite, cap, like this. God, I wanted to read the rest of those. Come on, just let me find something worth using. Yeah. What do you need Unity to be able to do it correctly? So if I go to you, not you, you, and I import uh, so let's try definitely not ASCII, so I could try that. No. Wrong thing. Wait, what? It didn't even export as a .map. It kind of needed you to export it before I could find out if it worked. Okay, so the .mel don't work. Scout measures. Nothing. So I still can't see anything. So nothing. Don't want to. No, I don't want to edit it. I want to just export it. So actually export. Use it as an actual object. Okay, so let's see if Unreal can pick up the actual model. No. Blueprints. No. Okay, I accidentally selected something, but it's fine. Okay, let's just go into the file. Try dragging it into here. Oops. Okay, it didn't do it, so let's try it in somewhere like basic. So if I grab it and I drop it into somewhere, oops, nope, that didn't work. Okay, This is annoying, but I'll work it out eventually, I'm sure. Window, time machine, help. No. Okay, just give me a second, guys. I'm just going to use this, seeing as how I do need to go back to it anyway. Oh, that's why it lost connection to that. Okay, great. Okay. Select file. Yes. Send to where's that? I'm looking at it. I'm looking at where I need to go for it. I must be completely blind. I don't see it. I honestly don't see it in all of this. View image, view sequence, create reference. No, no. No. Cancel. No. Maybe I'm looking at a different thing. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing. I'm confused. It says on Google how to export a scene to Unreal Engine, Maya 2018. I'm on Maya 2019. I'm an idiot. So once again, file sends to Unreal. Question Google. Where the fuck is it? I'm looking at file. Okay, following what you're saying here. File. That's it. I can't get any further without the fucking send to Unreal bullshit. Where the fuck is that? How do I send stuff to it? Select file, send to an... I don't care. Get off my fucking screen. I need to read what you're telling me how to do it. Thank you. Okay. Select file, send to an... Both of them don't work. Both of them don't work. I can't do that without the fucking... Both of those bits of information would work if they fucking existed. That would help. You know, I can export it as an animation, but I don't think I'll do anything. So, file, no further, because I can't get anywhere further. I can't do it without the fucking ability to do it. I can't do that without the important pieces. Adobe R After Effects? Nope, that doesn't do anything. That's not what I needed. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong file. Perhaps there's a file button that I'm not looking at. I'm so fucking confused. I remember being told to use that piece, but I can't do it if you won't give me the bit. Where is it? I remember it being in file, but it's not in there anymore. So where is it? Not there. That's definitely not it. Maybe help? Nope. That didn't do anything. Find menu. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Send to Unreal. So, continue. I totally wanted to select the entire thing. I just wanted to... Yep, that's it. Use case sensitive. Let's see. Well, send to Unreal does not exist. That's great. How am I supposed to do this now? There are no other ways to do it, is there? It's literally select file, then send to Unreal, isn't it? That's what it is. That's literally what it's doing. That's what I need to do. But it won't let me because I can't fucking do that because you don't let me without the fucking button. Let's try this one. That's 2014. How can it be such a uncommon thing to fucking ask for how to install something onto a Unreal? You're not letting me do that without the ability to do that. Oh, I give up. Just wanted to export the model into Unreal, but it won't do that. Because I can't do that without your fucking information that you're not giving me. Give me the information. You know, both sides, please. Optimize scene size, save preferences, new scene, open scene, save scene as, increment, export to offline file, assign offline file, view image, view sequence, view project window, set project, recent files, exit, create reference editor. That's all doing nothing for me. Let's see, maybe increment and save. That did nothing. Great. No, 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 no. Export all. Okay. Yes. .mel. That's not what I need. None of these are what I need, but you know, we always need to have some fun trying to work out how I'm supposed to export something into the actual file I want it in. I love doing this. View image, that's not gonna work. Export to offline file, no. Am I being an idiot? Is there something I'm not looking at in this singular piece? How am I supposed to follow your instructions If your instructions are wrong, Maya 2019. Export a scene to Unreal Engine. Select File. Okay. Send to Unreal. Maybe select the actual file, perhaps? I don't fucking know. Master.mb. Send to blank, because that's not working either. Great. Great. I love being completely unable to do stuff. Right, let's see. Move to OneDrive. No. Open with. No. That's once again wrong. Send to. No. Okay, so it's not that one either. So. Yes, that's what I want to do. Now, can you help me do it, I guess? Kind of an important thing, I don't know. Select Files, send to Unreal, then select All to export the whole scene, or Selection to export only selected objects. So, I click there. Select File. Okay, I've got the object in my stuff. So, is there a button? Maybe if I use this instead. File, thank you for ignoring me. 5 clicks. Increment and save preferences, import, export to offline file, view image, project files, recent implements, recent projects. No, none of those are what I need to do. Your instructions are so vague because you're not giving me the instructions to do what I need to do. Select File, Send to Unreal. I can't find a fucking second button in this fucking thing. How am I this stupid? How am I this stupid that I can't find something that's supposed to be an accessible feature? Ugh. Sorry about this, guys. I'm feeling like an idiot because I'm looking for something that the Autodesk's own website saying that that's how it works. How about this? Select files. Once again, even that one's not it. How do I how do I get the button for send to Unreal? I would love to know. Really, I would. Seeing as how it's kind of an important piece of this that you're not showing because you're not wanting to show it. I just want to send it. So file. View image, no. View sequence, no. Project window, no. Set project, no. Reference editor, no. Export to offline file, no. Assign offline file, no. I must be looking at it wrong. There must be a different file button somewhere hidden. Please, just tell me there's a fucking hidden file or something. I don't care. Just tell me where it is, Maya. Why is it nowhere to be fucking seen? I just want to send it into my fucking stuff. Maybe, Maybe if I go into, I don't know, modeling expert perhaps? Nope, that didn't do anything to the file change. Maybe sculpting. File. Nope, nothing. As usual, because I love being unable to do anything of value to it. Maybe reset current workspace. That did nothing because it's not how it works. Maybe my classic will have it. File. Nope, nothing. Okay, I'm clearly retarded because there's clearly something that I'm overlooking. Clearly I'm missing something. Clearly this model perhaps isn't supposed to be sent into it. I don't know, because you're not giving me any indication on where this button supposedly is. I don't know. Reset current workspace. No. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe there's something I've overlooked. No. Shading, lighting, show, renderer, panels. So, I want to use Unreal. I really do, but if I can't... Okay, maybe I can file... You're telling me to go for something on this end? No. Import into level. Backup plus. Models. No. File. Yeah, I'm clearly an idiot. There's clearly something, and I'm clearly too stupid to see it. There's clearly a button that I'm clearly overlooking every time I look at it. And that's why I'm confused, because I'm clearly looking at the wrong place. Because exporter scene to Unreal Engine does not exist, clearly. Either that or I'm overlooking it every time I look at it. So, where else could it be? There is only one file button, so maybe set project? No. Maybe file. Excuse me. Sorry about blowing into the mic. That was really stupid of me. Export animation. Once again, not an animation. View sequence. Project windows. Set project. Increment and save. No. 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 Maybe I'm overlooking something in Unity, perhaps? I haven't seen anything in file. First person, VP, content. Maybe I can send it from here? Failed to import. Unknown extension. Great. So it's not that. Clearly I'm missing something. Clearly I'm missing something that is right in front of my eyes, and I'm overlooking it every time I look at it. So, looking at Maya, select file. Okay. Click send to Unreal. new scene, open scene, save scene as, increment and save, active scene, save preferences, optimize scene size, import, export all, export selection, export to offline file, Adobe After Effects, live link, assign offline file, Atom has export animation, import animation, create Atom template, create reference editor, view image, view sequence, project window, set project, recent files, and exit. So clearly I'm missing something. There is clearly something I'm missing here. So where is it? I'm clearly missing something. I have both of them open, for God's sakes. So clearly I'm overlooking something. I'm gonna go to the toilet quick and I'm gonna try and work it out by checking this and seeing if it's something that I'm being an idiot and not looking at. So I'm gonna go, fuck's sake, why do you have to fall apart the second I take you off? Okay. Right then. that was a very useful search. Good toilet break. My 2019 does have it, and I just don't have access to it because I must have to download something else entirely, a different Maya, a thing called Maya LT, because that's the Maya that allows that. Totally what I wanted to do, searching for a button that's apparently in Maya 2019 that I cannot find. Okay, let's see if we can search round a bit more, drive myself even further up the bend, because I love doing that to myself. How to import export a scene. No. That's Maya 2018. Is there a different thing? Autodesk, something that I haven't looked at. Oh, God damn it, my freaking leg. Ow. Why did you have to take me off, chair? I just want to fucking lean back while I search on my left screen to find out what I'm missing. And now my mouse is moved and everything. Okay. Give me a minute to find out if there's a product that I'm missing. Because it's clear that Maya 2019 is missing something that I need right now. And apparently I pulled out my storage drive as well. So that's fun because now my project is closed and hopefully it's saved. I was having a good day. Only now it's gone to shit because I can't send a model that I just made into Unreal Engine, and apparently on my stream manager I wanted this. Okay. Okay, that's all looking good. Okay, it all seems to be working, I guess. Good. Maya LG, main seat. Sign in. Am I signed in? I am not signed in apparently. I am signed in, so can I access it? Can I? Okay. Okay. Never mind, because otherwise not it either. Okay. Maybe this one will help? So how do I export it as an FBX? If the other one apparently doesn't do anything, where do I have to go for it? Because it's clear that it's apparently still there. It's just that I'm too stupid to find it. Clearly I need to have several thousand more brain cells to be able to know where that is. So, export all. Can I send it into... No, I just want to go to D. Um, that's models, so that's not it. I don't think I've got anything. I don't think I can do anything with this model. No mind then, I totally wanted to waste my time. I might as well just slowly attempt to make it in Unreal once that's reopened, because it's clear that I can't use Maya to create models anymore. So, that's fun, because apparently I'm too stupid to do it. Because, I don't know, because I've completely overlooked where it could possibly have the button, because it's right in the file button. I can... They've told me it's there. I don't see it, but it's there. It exists in the world of everybody but me. You know, usual things like that. It only exists for everybody but me, because clearly my computer doesn't allow it. I didn't really offer models. I have to wait for Epic to... Epic, I need you to open Unreal, not just ignore me for half an hour. I just wanted to install a model, that's all I wanted to do. That's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to click File, then import the model, and that would be it. But no, it doesn't work like that. It never will work like that, and I will never be able to import a model from Maya to Unreal. It's not an existing feature on my computer, so clearly I'm missing something that's... I don't care. Why are you saving it to that one? Excuse me? Did I unplug? This fuck's sake, I just turned the fucking chair around by a singular millimeter. Stop. Okay. I just want to get to the stupid thing. I just want to use Unreal Engine. I just wanted to make a model and send it to Maya. That's all I wanted to do, but that doesn't work, so it's clear that I'm missing something. Are you serious? Better not be loading back up from the beginning where it was before. Can I get into system, please? I just wanted to go into system. Right. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream so I'll find somebody to raid because it's clear that I'm getting stressed and I'll have a lesson later on. So I'm gonna find somebody to raid, somebody that most likely I'll raid somebody that I know or somebody who seems interested in, you know? Hmm. Okay, I'm getting stressed, so I'm going to end the stream here because I'm getting really annoyed because I can't do certain things. So I'm going to go off. I'll stream later, possibly, or I'll most likely stream on Wednesday. I'm not sure. Depends on how I'm feeling. And depends on how I'm feeling later. So I will. I'm now Ray Grumbly. So slash need. So I'm going to make myself present. Um, of course, you finished. Okay, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.